Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video from our 1 tool per day series. If you're new, remember to hit the subscribe button because in this series, every day we will introduce you a different tools that can help your online business grow. In this first week, if you still remember, it's all about the tools to help your social media marketing growth. We have explored a lot of amazing tools and get ready to add one more to your list because today I have one of the leading social media monitoring tools that can help your business growth comprehensively. Our tool for today is called Brand24, a powerful social media monitoring tool that can help you get customer insight, engage with your customer effectively, find influencer that can help you grow yourself through meaningful data and instant notification. Brand24 can also help you protect your brand image effectively and track your progress across social media channels. Brand24 is a great tool to help you get to know your audience, your competitor, and the market. Alright guys, now let's hop in to explore our tool, Brand24. Now, as usual, I'm going to put out there a little disclaimer for our newbies. So this video is not sponsored by Brand24, and if you want to purchase this tool, we highly recommend you to sign up for a free trial first before paying for the tool free plan to understand and determine if the tools is right for your business. Now let's start that. Alright guys, so let's scroll quickly through the homepage to see what they have to offer. So as we just defined just now, social media monitoring tools can help you to protect your online reputation, as you can now see what people are saying about your brand and have appropriate as well as immediate response. And by doing that, of course, it will help you to improve customer satisfaction. Brand24 also allows you to generate report with meaningful metrics and statistics. It also comes with hashtag tracking, and with this technology, your brand strategy will be 100% more effective and stronger. Now let's start with signing up. Alright guys, so first step after you have signed up is to enter some keyword. It can be your brand, it can be your competitor, it can be a hashtag or a keyword that you like to monitor. Now let's try with our digital marketing as usual. Alright, let's next to see what we got. I'm gonna go with English here and create our project. Alright, it looks like we have successfully created our first demo project in second. Let's see what they have to offer. So seems like we have some tutorials right here and also a chat support line, very useful. Alright guys, so since this is a free plan, we obviously have some limitation right here, but as you can see here, everything is quite detailed, so let's explore. At the beginning, right at the top, we have a little chart which shows us, number of mentions, social media reach, and non-social media reach, and we are viewing it in the last 30 days. You can click here to show sentiment. Sentiment help us to understand the type of posts around this topic. So as you can see here, the overwhelming major of them are positive posts. All right, now let's move on. Here we can see a lot of more platforms with their specific number. So Facebook and Instagram is currently restricted due to our free plans, but we can see here from all Twitter, news, video, podcasts, even forums, blogs, webs, and we can see the majority of them is web and blog. If you want to develop content in this, you might want to look into these two. And here are some posts, some sample posts about our targeted keywords. So here we have from the hashtag digital marketing that we put in. Here's an article on Quora about social media marketing, the keyword that we put in, and here's our other articles. So as you can see here, 2 TikTok posts and one Quora, and another one is WordPress, and another TikTok post right here in Reddit. So you can check these out, see what content you can create the best, and just learn from them. Now let's look at each of these posts. So next to the links we have their sentiment score and their likes, their engagement. These are their engagement scored, and even their time of post, so that you really can view and understand what news, what is popular, what is trending. So next is a question on Quora. I have a very high influencer scored. Sentiment is neutral, a lot of viewed, and yet finally a little date and time as well. And Quora is marked as high traffic domain. So that's it for this section. Let's explore here to our filter. So maybe as we establish up here, the majority of the post is positive. So maybe you only want to see positive post, positive mention. Let's try that. Let's move the scale to positive. All right, and now you can see just now we only have neutral posts, and as you can see there, the type of post has changed. So now it's Twitter, Quora again, Twitter, and blogs, more blog on WordPress. And next we can filter by important. So this filter actually allows you to only show key mentions based on source popularity, influence, sentiment strength, or their engagement, such as like, share, comment, upvote, things like that. So you can either include all mention or important only. I'm gonna go with all mention here so that we can see more example. Next is filter by influencers scored. So if you only want to see posts from strong influencer profile, so that maybe you can learn from that, or you can reach out to the influencer, feel free to adhere. I'm going to set it to 9, and it's already pretty high. And yes, here are all the relevant posts from influencer profile that you might want to learn from, that you might want to research on, or you might want to reach out to. And here's where you can set additional email alert beside from the one that you have used to create your account. And at the end, you can save all these filter settings so that you can just apply them easily in your future research. So that's how it worked right here, guys. So in the beginning, if you enter your brand name, it will also pop out, mention about your brand name. You can understand what people are talking about your brand. You can understand where your audience come to discuss and mention your brand. And from there, you can actually go to those places where your audience actually hang out and join the conversations. Build your brand image, improve your brand image. By doing that, you will not only be able to increase customer satisfaction, but also you will actually encourage more conversation about your brand, and that is organic exposure. All right, now let's explore our other tabs. Let's go to our summary, see what we got here. All right, seems like it's where all our important metric and stat is here. Here we have the most popular mention for our keyword. If you still remember, it's digital marketing, hashtag digital marketing, and social media marketing. So these are the most popular mention. And as you can see, they are all from this profile. They are all on TikTok. So if you're interested in influencer marketing, you might want to reach out to this profile, or you can just simply go there and learn from that. Let's check latest mention. All right, everything is quite up to date. It's the latest mention include in this is actually just 40 minutes ago. That's pretty cool. And then you can check out these, see what they are. I'm gonna move on to our summary. So at summary here, we have total mention, we have social media reach, we have interaction, total interaction, and lastly, positive and negative scored again. Here you can see the mention trend being demonstrated in this graph. And another graph for social media reach. As you can see here today, there seems to be a jump in social media reach right here, a very strong jump. Next, let's look at our top public profile. You have here these profiles, the people, their voice share, and their influence. Next is the most influential site. Here are some websites so that you can understand, people who are talking about this keyword, people who are interested in this keyword, which site are they actually go to check out the content, to talk about the content. And for this public profile, let's check out. If you clicked here and going back here, if you clicked on each of these profiles, they will lead you to their YouTube channel. And last And next over here, we have some more statistic. We have some non-social mentioned, which you can see here, the little graph. And when you're clicking in there, we are going back to our mention page, but now it's only non-social mention. So it's news, forum, blogs, and webs. They filter it out automatically for us when you click in the graph of non-social mention. Next, we have social media mentions, we have videos, we have social media shares, we have social media likes. So at this graph, again, we can see another guarantee that non-social media mention is more popular. So if you're trying to develop content, do look into this more. And lastly is more statistic for our source. Feel free to explore so that you have a better understanding and have a better grasp of the tool. Next, let's go to analysis. And here we have mentioned from the most popular public profile. So if you still remember, we did check out some of the most popular public profiles over there. And here we have like a more detailed look into, what type of posts they make that include our keyword, the keyword that we want to monitor. And right next to it, we have mentioned from the most popular public. So if you still remember, we did check out some of the top popular public profiles. And now here we'll get to see what type of post they make that include the keyword that we were trying to monitor. Here's the link to the specific YouTube videos. So if you click here, it will lead you to the video that these influencer profile has made that contain your monitored keyword. Next, we have some more statistics. So we did explore these, so more mentions, social media mention. Next, we have mentions by category. This is somewhat similar to what we have seen in the mention sections right at the beginning, where, each platform, there's a number there. We have already seen this statistic, but here you'll get to see like a graph for it to have like a better understanding. For instance, here, we know that it's took 58.2%, and right next to that is blog with 25.4%. So next we have trending hashtag that is related to our monitored keywords. You can explore it here. So first is digital marketing, and we have marketing at second place, and then at third place we have SEO, and fourth place is our hashtag social media marketing. Next, we have trending links. So these posts are now trending, and you can use this section to explore and stay in the trends of your market. Develop content that is trending will not only help your brand to build exposure, but trending content is actually content that your audience are really enjoying to see at the moment. So by doing that, you are building positive brand image to your audience as well. Next, we have the top public profiles or sections that we already explored. And next to it is most active public profile. This can help you widen your influencer search. You can check out both top profile or most active profile and decide to reach out to the best person to help your brand. Next, we have most active site that we already explored. And next to it is the most influential site. And lastly, we have contact of a discussion. So here are some other related keyword that found in the monitor conversation. And if we clicked on one keyword, let's try that. It will now go back to our mention page, but now all the conversations here will include the keyword best that we just clicked in beside our main keywords, which are digital marketing, hashtag digital marketing, and social media marketing. All right, now let's move on to our next section, which is source. So here you can see it's more of like a library of influential profile, public profile, where you can go and check out and visit their page, visit their platform to, make your decision. And, where you can go to their site, go to their platform easily to learn from them or to reach out to them. Let's go to page. So same thing. These are the most popular influential page for this specific keyword, that we choose to monitor. And with this, you can decide where to develop your content on. Let's go to our last one, which is comparison. Alright guys, so as you can see here, we need at least 2 projects to use this tab where you can actually compare 2 of your projects, 2 of these keywords, see which one is performing better, and to understand which influencer profile is actually overlapping in the both of your interest keyword where you can reach out to that will increase the effectiveness. And when you're finished with comparison, or when you just finished going through all the statistic and analysis, Remember to export your report here, either by emails or PDF report or infographic. It's a very quick summary, very quick and straight to the point summary of all the statistics that we have went through just now. So you can always do that. Or to get a PDF report, you have to choose which data that you would like to include and just click generate report right here to download your report. So that's it, guys. That's Brand24, a powerful social media monitoring tools that can help you monitor mention about your targeted keywords, such as your brand name, your product, your service, and also help you to find the best influencer that can help your business grow. I hope you like this video. Are you currently using social media monitoring tools? If so, what tools are you using? We would love to know that, so please leave a comment below. Until next time, I'm Alice from Standout. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you're up for more bootcamps and courses from industry expert, we also have that link ready for you. For any of you looking to build a website, there's a free access to our website builder. And of course, don't forget to join our Facebook group for more updates and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future free training from us.